just wanted to share something I noticed today, and I was talking to somebody saying there could be a topping formation around 4B, 6A area, which is usually a good place for a reversal. And I was looking to trade short, thinking that. What I noticed though was you had your accumulation on low volume, and you had a manipulation kind of both ways. But if you go down to you want to see where the high volume came in, and you can see the high volume came in on the down bar. Even though there was high volume, I'm talking about the extreme red volume, came in on the down bar. And what I noticed today was something I've kind of spoken about before, how to tell which way is manipulation. And the best way is on the 5 minute. If you look at, I don't want to say the shape of the bar, but there's a smooth transition. So this is the first manipulation, which you could have taken a trade, definitely, because there was high volume, and this would have been a lovely trade down. But the thing is, what I noticed was when I was looking to take a trade short here, which would have been a great trade too, but as you can see, what I was talking about before called jump bars, where you've got the close of the bar. A good way of thinking of it is the close of the bar is below the previous low, and then the next bar, the close doesn't even reach past that extreme bar. That's kind of like an immediate dying off of momentum. It's really professionals buying from this panicked selling, or it's like they try and create this quick movement, this quick excitement to get sellers invested, and they're buying all those contracts from those panic sellers. And you can see the same thing here. And you could have thought, oh, this is going to go down, and it was still a great trade. I mean, there was, still 70 pips, great trade. But just from the character or I've learned that when you get a smooth transition like this compared to this, it's generally, this is the manipulation. This kind of behavior where you've got this jump bar and then it just dies off immediately. Happened again here, you've got this lovely transition, and the way I look at it is they're kind of trying to induce buying, because this looks like a lovely trend, and then they'll quickly manipulate against that with this kind of jump bar behavior, and this is the manipulation. And you can see the same thing here. There's the trend, the proper trend is on that nice transition, and then you had the real extreme push up. Because I saw this, I bought here after this pullback, and I actually got out way too early, only because there was this huge news announcement on all the euro, pound, and I wasn't quite sure whether this was going to be the top formation but after looking back at it, I can see why I should have stayed in, because of these two bars here is obvious manipulation.